Hello, this is Michael from English Runway. Today, we're going through 100 English phrases you can use in daily conversation. I'll read slowly, then you just listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's go! Hi, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? What's your name? I'm Michael. What's your name? Where are you from? I'm from Japan. And you? Are you a student? No, I work full-time. How's your day going? It's good so far, thanks. How's the weather today? It's sunny and nice. What time is it? It's about 9:30. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat bread and eggs. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love it. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I prefer tea. Are you hungry? A little bit, yes. Are you tired? Yes, just a little. Are you busy right now? Not really? What's up? How was your weekend? It was nice. I relaxed at home. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I like playing football. What do you do for fun? I watch movies and go for walks. Do you like music? Yes, I listen every day. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Do you like watching movies? Yes, I watch them often. What's your favorite movie? I like action movies. Do you play sports? Yes, I play football sometimes. Can you swim? Yes, but not very well. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. How's your family? They're good. Thanks for asking. Where do you live? I live near the city centre. How long have you lived there? For about 2 years. Do you live alone? No, I live with my family. What time do you wake up? I wake up around 6:30. What time do you go to sleep? Around 10 or 11. What do you usually do after work? I relax and watch YouTube. Do you cook at home? Yes, I cook simple meals. What's your favorite food? I love noodles. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I think so. Do you want to hang out sometime? Sure, that sounds good. Do you like shopping? Sometimes, yes. Do you like going to cafes? Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like the beach? Yes, I love the sea. Are you learning English? Yes, every day. How long have you studied English? About 1 year. Do you want to practice English together? Yes, that would be great. Can you speak slowly, please? Sure, no problem. Can you say that again, please? Yes, here it is. What does this word mean? It means something like this. How do you spell that? It's spelled L-I-K-E. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Do you need help? Yes, please, thank you. Excuse me, where is the restroom? It's over there, on the left. Can I have the bill, please? Sure, here you go. How much is this? It's $10. Do you take cards? Yes, we do. Can I try this on? Yes, the fitting room is there. What's your job? I work in an office. Do you like your job? Yes, it's not bad. What time do you finish work? I finish around 5. How do you go to work? I go by bus. Do you live far from here? No, it's close. What are you doing later? Just relaxing at home. Do you like meeting new people? Yes, I enjoy it. Are you on social media? Yes, I use it sometimes. What's your favorite app? I like YouTube. Do you like reading? Yes, I read simple books. Do you like learning new things? Yes, I really enjoy that. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love exploring new places. Have you traveled before? Yes, but only a few places. Do you prefer the city or the countryside? I prefer the city. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. Do you need directions? Yes, please. I'm a bit lost. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine, thanks. Are you cold or hot? I'm a little cold. Do you want water? Yes, please. Do you have plans today? No, not yet. What are you doing tomorrow? I'm going to work. What's your plan for the weekend? I just want to relax. How was your day? It was good, thanks, and yours? Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. And you? What are you doing now? I'm just relaxing at home. Are you ready to start? Yes, I'm ready. Can I help you? Yes, please. Thank you. What's your favorite hobby? I like reading books. Do you like cooking? Yes, I cook sometimes. What's your favorite drink? I like coffee. Do you like ice cream? Yes, it's my favorite. Are you busy today? Not really. I'm free. What do you usually do after work? I usually watch YouTube or relax. How often do you go out? Sometimes on weekends. Do you like talking on the phone? Yes, I talk to my friends every day. Have you eaten lunch yet? Yes, I have. And you? Do you like fast food? Sometimes, but I prefer home-cooked meals. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What kind of movies do you like? I like comedies. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Have you ever been to another country? Yes, I've been to Australia. Do you like pets? Yes, I have a cat. What's your favorite animal? I like dogs. Do you like reading online? Yes, I read articles and stories. Are you good at sports? I'm okay, not very good. Are you a morning person? Yes, I wake up early. Do you like meeting new people? Yes, I enjoy making new friends. What do you do? I'm a farmer. How about you? Did you enjoy this lesson? Yes, I did. It was really helpful. That's all for today. See you next time, and remember to subscribe.